खाते ना। सकल सम्मान करिते शकते देहनाथ जथा जाथ।
सकल सम्मान करिते शकति देहनाथ जथा जाथा।
ओ हे वैष्णव गुरु यर सागरु दसे गुरु
O he Vaishnava Thakura Doyara Sagara
Edase karuna kori.
संसार भव सागर माया से तृष्णा मेरे आश्रय शील गोपाल कृष्ण। संसार भव सागर माया से तृष्णा मेरे गुरु शील गोपाल कृष्ण। जय गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव गुरु महाराज मेरे गुरुदेव। जय गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव गुरु महाराज मेरे गुरुदेव। श्री चा गीता भागवत का ज्ञान अर्चा विग्रह सेवा लगाया हृदय से भक्तों के जीवन का हुआ उत्थान। अर्चा विग्रह सेवा लगाया हृदय से भक्तों के जीवन का हुआ उत्थान। श्रील प्रभुपाद कृष्ण कृपा मूर्ति प्रभुपाद कृपा मूर्ति है गुरुदेव। गुरुदेव आप करुणा निधि है रखिए सदा श्री चरणों के पास। महाप्रभु का संदेश जग में फैलाए शील प्रभुपाद के बने नित्यदास। महाप्रभु का संदेश जग में फैलाए शील प्रभुपाद के बने नित्यदास। शील प्रभुपाद कृष्ण कृपा मूर्ति प्रभुपाद कृपा मूर्ति है गुरुदेव। शील प्रभुपाद कृष्ण कृपा मूर्ति प्रभुपाद कृपा मूर्ति है गुरुदेव। जय गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव गुरु महाराज मेरे गुरुदेव।
Now the girls will sing Bhagavad Padashtakam.
I offer my respectful obeisances to my spiritual master, Srila Bhagavad Pada. His lotus mouth is always engaged in glorification of Lord Hari. His heart is free from contamination, and his ears are totally engaged in hearing the pastimes of Lord Achyuta. His wonderful voice mesmerizes millions of souls, and his eyes are filled with compassion.
I offer my respectful obeisances to my spiritual master, Srila Bhagavad. He has taken complete shelter of Lord Hari and Guru. He is firmly situated in the Paramhamsa stage, and he is preaching the theoretical and practical knowledge of transcendence. His life is purest, and he is the worthy son of the Vedas.
I offer my respectful obeisances to my spiritual master, Srila Bhagavad. He is very dear to Srila Prabhupada. He removes the distress of surrendered souls, and he extinguishes the forest fire of insult. He is expert in bhakti sadhana, and he is the reservoir of all good qualities.
I offer my respectful obeisances unto my spiritual master, Srila Bhagavad. He is the best of all servants of Lord Hari. He is the giver of Hari Nama, and he is the bumblebee attached to the lotus feet of Lord Hari. He is the boat on ocean of nescience, and he is the super soul in the heart.
I offer my respectful obeisances to my spiritual master, Srila Bhagavad. He is the strong axe to the strong knot of heart. He brings about many transcendental literatures, and his self-realizations touches the sky. He bestows everything to surrendered souls, and he is the giver of everlasting pleasure.
I offer my respectful obeisances to my spiritual master, Srila Bhagavad. He is very interested in Mayapur Parikrama. The transcendental abode Vrindavan is very dear to him, and he is expert in chanting Harinam during Rath Yatra festival. He is adorned with Tridanda and is free from the material qualities.
I offer my respectful obeisances to my spiritual master, Srila Bhagavad. He abides by his Guru's words. He is deeply attached to his Guru's work, and the deity's service is very, very dear to him. He is secretly moving on the path of liberation, and his Guru Maharaj is the internal existence air for him.
I offer my respectful obeisances to my spiritual master, Srila Bhagavad. He is a servant of Lord Madhusudana. He is my protector, and he appeared on the auspicious day of Ekadashi. He is the well-wisher of all Vaishnavas and maintainer of his disciples. Srila Bhagavad, all glories to you, all glories to you, all glories to you, all glories to you. O Gurudev, all glories to you.
Hari Stuti Achyuta Leela Karnita Karnam Adbhuta Ganam Karunanayanam Pranamami Guru Bhagavad Padam Pranamami Guru Bhagavad Padam Pranamami Guru Bhagavad Padam Hari Guru Sharanam Dhruvaham Sapadam Bhagavad Jnana Vijnana Prakasham Amala Charitram Veda Suputram Pranamami Guru Bhagavad Padam Pranamami Guru Bhagavad Padam Pranamami Guru Bhagavad Padam Prabhupada Priyam Pranatati Haram Paribhavadhavanalatapaharam Sadhana Chaturam Sadgunabharitam Pranamami Guru Bhagavad Padam Pranamami Guru Bhagavad Padam Pranamami Guru Bhagavad Padam Haridasavaram Harinamakaram
हरिपदपङ्कजलालसभृङ्गं भवजलपोटं हृदि चैत्यगुरं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं ग्रन्थिकुटरं ग्रन्थप्रकाशम् अम्बरचुम्बितात्मविकाशम् आश्रितवरदम् अक्षरसुखदं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं मायापुरचरं वृन्दावनप्रियं रथयात्रोत्सवकीर्तनचतुरं द्विदण्डशोभितं त्रिनावर्जितं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं गुरुवाक्यपरं गुरुकार्यरतं श्रीविग्रहसेवापरयानं गुरुमुक्तिचरं गुरुबहिरानं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं मधुरीपुदाशं मणिस्तारकं माधवतीति शुभाविर्भावं विष्णुजनहितं शिष्यपोषकं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं जय 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 हो भगवत्पादं प्रणमामि गुरु भगवत्पादं जय 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 हो भगवत्पादं जय 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 गुरु भगवत्पादं जय 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 हो भगवत्पादं जय 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 गुरु भगवत्पादं जय 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 गुरु भगवत्पादं जय 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 गुरु भगवत्पादं जय 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 गुरु भगवत्पादं जय जय
Hare Krishna, thank you so much. We are almost at the end of the program. We have one more clip to show you, and then we'll do the vote of thanks. After that, we have Prashadam. So we are about 5 minutes late from the original program. Apologize for that, but not bad considering it was a 5-hour program, right? Okay.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Thank you, Rupananga Prabhu. As all of you know, His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj would often visit Toronto during this time of the year. And many of you have received the special blessing of him asking you to sponsor a set of Srimad Bhagavatam or to take one. And several of you also have his signed copies of Srimad Bhagavatam at home. This year for the Bhadra Purnima campaign all over North America, under the guidance and encouragement of His Holiness Janardhan Swami, there is a goal for the disciples of Gopal Krishna Maharaj to distribute 5,000 sets of Srimad Bhagavatam. And the story behind it is that Maharaj asked, a devotee in Naperville told Maharaj, our goal is 400 sets. He said, why not 5,000? So this year, in fulfilling those words that came out of Maharaj's mouth, the devotees are aspiring for that. I know it's a big number, but as Maharaj will say in this video, drops of water wear the stone away. So if all of us just do our little bit to support the mission of Srila Prabhupada, the distribution of Srila Prabhupada's books, we can get there and melt all stones. So thank you so much for the time. And if we can just show that clip, I'd be grateful.
Okay, I hope that all of you will go out on the Sankirtan marathon. If you cannot be a big general in the army, at least be a small ordinary soldier in the army. The 4th generals are busy distributing and dropping hundreds of bombs. At least you devotees can drop small bombs. So do something at least. So our guideline is every devotee should go out, whether you're pujari, cook, anything, and distribute at least. It's not, at least distribute for a half an hour or 1 hour every day. Drops of water make the ocean. So all of you even do little book distribution, slowly there'll be a flood of love of God.
Bhadra Purnima this year is September 17th. We are exactly 3 weeks away. And you can get a Srimad Bhagavatam set for yourself or make a sponsorship towards distributing a set in India or Latin America or any other part of the world on your behalf. And the sets that are distributed by the disciples of His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj will be counted towards the 5,000 goal for North America. Srila Prabhupada's instruction to Maharaj was that the books are distributed by the enthusiasm of my devotees. And Maharaj was the one who pushed on the enthusiasm. Every time he came to Toronto, he made sure to ask us, how many books were done? How many sets? How far are you? So please, let's come forward and serve Maharaj's legacy and leave a legacy behind as well. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Shamamoni. It is true that nothing pleased Guru Maharaj more than his disciples distributing books. So I would definitely encourage every one of us to whichever way we can to support his book distribution and the target of 5,000 Bhagavatam sets. Now at the end of the program, it's my pleasure to give the vote of thanks to many, many people. And I just want to start with the greatest personality as far as we are concerned, Srila Prabhupada. Can everyone hear me? Okay. Srila Prabhupada, who, we all know what he did. It's because of him we have ISKCON. It's because of him we know Krishna's name. It's because of him we are somehow becoming more and more Krishna conscious. But in today's context, as far as we are concerned, the best thing he did was take care of his son he called Gopal. We call him His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj. He gave us a gift of our Guru Maharaj, who has literally imbibed his Guru Maharaj's mood, instructions, but throughout his time with us, he had instructions for us in a very gentle way, in a very persuasive way, and in a way that we wanted to follow his instructions. So Guru Maharaj, thank you very much for being our Guru Maharaj, for guiding us, for leaving us these instructions and leaving us an example of how to serve our own Guru. We'll try to follow in footsteps, Maharaj. Please bless us. We can serve you going forward just the way you did your own Guru, Srila Prabhupada. Thank you, Guru Maharaj. I said earlier that today is a very auspicious day, but that auspicious day has been made more auspicious by the presence of Lord Nityananda's shoes, Lord Nrsingadev's Chhatri, and the presence of three wonderful devotees, His Grace Jananivas Prabhu, His Grace Brajavilas Prabhu, and His Grace Sunanda Prabhu. Thank you very much for coming here. Thank you for encouraging us, and we promise you will do whatever we can the best way possible to help this TOVP come in, because that is Prabhupada's, Guru Prabhupada's and Guru Maharaj's dream. So thank you again. No program in ISKCON can be successful without good prasadam. So I want to thank those who helped with the cooking, with the cut-up. So Jai Vaikuntha Prabhu, Dwarkanath Prabhu, Aditi Mataji, Sudevi Mataji and their team. Big round of thank you. Thank you. I hope you like the drama. We have already, oh, thank you. You've seen all the actors who were in front of us, and so thank you to all of them. But there were a few people who were behind the scene, and I want to especially thank them. First of all, Lalita Priya, where is she? Our director. Oh, there she is, finding. I honestly don't know anybody who works harder, longer, with more dedication, with more commitment, and with more sincerity than Lalita Priya. She had work issues to worry about last night. I don't think she slept more than 1 or 2 hours. But there she was, taking care of every minute detail to make sure that this function was successful. So thank you very much, Lalita Priya. And we have the assistant director of the play, Keshav Sevika. Please take a bow. Keshav Sevika, again, another very, very hard-working couple. Her and her husband, Gaurang Hari Prabhu. So much work, just directing everything, taking care of, again, all the minor details, and encouraging each of the players, selecting players, encouraging players to participate in the drama. Thank you so much. And this was a family affair. She and her husband, Gaurang Hari Prabhu, of course, but their daughter, Niyati, wrote the script for this play. How about that? 11 years old? Where is she? Niyati, come here. Come here, come here. That's the script writer of the play today. Haribol. Haribol, come here. Then, of course, you see the decoration. The whole team of Shama Moini, Sanjay Prabhu, and Vaishnavi, and I think, yeah, Keshav Sevika, and a few other people that I'm probably not mentioning their name. They were all involved in doing this wonderful work for that decoration for the altar. And then their daughter, Vaishnavi, where is she? Oh, there she is. You know, making the banner, the other posters, lot of work she did, good design, and again, taking time from her schedule, doing this for us. Thank you so much, Vaishnavi. And then there is Mohit Jasrotia. Where is Mohit? Mohit ji, come here, come here, come here, come here. Another very, very hard-working person. He is responsible for putting the video clips together, and you're selecting the proper videos, cutting them, splicing them, as they call in Word, cut and paste. Wonderful job, long hours for. Thank you. And there were many other kids, you know, involved in making the banners. You saw the banners that Krishna was going around with. Again, he was involved. Adya was involved, and of course, Mahi was involved. And I'm probably forgetting somebody, but thank you all of you for doing such great work. And last but not least, all of you for joining us, for making this function successful. And I'm praying to our Guru Maharaj to bless you all to become pure devotees, and may this be your last birth. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Now prasadam time. Mahaprasade Govinde Nam Brahmani Vaishnave Svalpa Punyavatam Rajan Vishwaso Navajayate Sharira Vidyajal Jalendriya Tahekal Jive Pele Vishay Sagare Tar Madhye Jivati Lobhamayi Sudurmati Take Jeta Katin Sansare Krishna Bala Dayamaya Karibare Jiva Jai Soprasad Non-grain Diyo Bhai Sei Annamritpa Radha Krishna Gunangao Preme Dako Chaitanya Nitai Jai Nimai Jai Nitai Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Happy Prasadam. Thank you. Hare Krishna.